What's up, you guys? It's Boosted Coyote. So, you know what this means. We're back on another review again. We got a pretty interesting one. This one's going to be completely different. Probably catch a lot of y'all off guard. But, who doesn't? I don't want to give it away. Just wait. When he's going to be pulling up, we're at the meet spot. He should be here within the next, minute or two. So let's get this shit started. No funny bloopers. I swear to God, I thought this fool was him, bro. Look at this. Thought it was hella funny because look, all the mismatched shit. I was like, bro, I don't remember his car being that beat up, but god damn. But nah, walked up to him, it was a whole different dude, bro. I'm like, what the fuck? Oh, you can see the intercooler up front. Little drift car. Shit sounds cool. Smell the E85 from here. God damn. Looks good though. Loud as fuck. Alright, so this is who we're shooting with today. He's got the Drift G37 out. That's it right there, it's just flat. I don't know what type of wheels those are. Larry has
tandems, bro.
Fuck. Alright, we can show what's under the hood. Well, just the NA G37.
Are you kidding me?
God damn.
Man.
Yeah, Evan did good work on that shit.
Spaceship fin coupe, stop playing.
Well, how much boost are you initially pushing on this setup right now?
So, car is only right now, I drive it around on like 7 pounds. That's my wastegate. It's like 480-ish.
You just drift on wastegate, so
Yeah,
like 7 pounds?
7 pounds. If I want to go a little faster, I can always put in the medium boost. But the 7 pounds does just fine. The turbo is definitely oversized. It's a 6871, 1.06 AR, so it likes to fall in and out of boost.
So you just gotta keep a hella high RPM, drop a gear.
A little clutch work, it'll be fine, you know.
I mean, definitely like the setup, bro. I'm not a G37 person, let alone drift builds, but
yeah,
this one, I chose you out of everyone because
a lot of people aren't big fans of these cars.
Is that a stock motor, and how much power you think you can make before you start having problems?
All right, so this is like a super, it's a very hard question to answer. This is a stock engine. All it has done to it are galleries, and I have boundary gears. In this one, I got oil pump gears in it.
Yeah, it's a nice company.
That's what I've learned about these engines is that they're honestly Easter eggs. You know, sometimes you get a golden engine. You know, if you want it to last on the longer side, you know, we say like 500 to 600.
Yeah, no, I mean, that's still a good range, especially with what you're doing.
Yeah, bro.
All right, so who's the car officially tuned by right now?
So, car's tuned by Admin Tuning, Monsef. Great customer service. Car's been super reliable. Starts on me whenever I need to take it out. What I'm trying to do with it, it's definitely not the ideal size. This is a 6871 1.06 AR, water-cooled comp.
Yeah, that was the killer about the Mustang, bro. That shit was bad.
Yeah, bro. I couldn't.
Damn.
And summer hit. I wanted to kill myself. I don't want to.
God, this shit is loud as fuck.
It's not that bad. Just put the windows are down. It's really on the freeway. It's really not that bad.
That was barely doing it. God.
Low-key, I gotta top the oil off just in case. Make sure it's overfilled.
Yeah, I've never been in a drift car like that. It's my first one.
You've never been drifting?
Never. I've been with people that fucking think they do sideshow shit, but
like just donuts?
Yeah, but nah, with drifting, nah. This is my first one ever. I've never been in a...
Donuts will get boring, bro.
Yeah, and someone that could actually drive? No. That's what I think. If I just put my fucking seatbelt on.
Oh, you want the seatbelt on?
I don't even know.
You're good.
No, I didn't know if it worked or not. Damn, that's a straight tweaker car. See, that's how you know. If you want, you can go peep around. Blast the AC when we're up in this bitch.
Grippy, I like this.
I can see why that gets addicting. Fuck. You just blast the AC when we're up in this bitch?
Grippy, I like this.
I can see why that gets addicting. Fuck. That's just crazy. Bro. No, I don't blame you.
I haven't even slid in. I haven't slid in a long.
So this is your fucking...
Almost, yeah. I feel like,
It's like popping your cherry for a minute. I feel it because I get that itch, bro.
yeah.
This car is crazy. So this is my first drift car, as you guys can see. But yeah, this is the end of the video. Shout out to bro for taking this. That was my first fucking time in a drift car, especially a G37. I'm gonna drop his IG.
Gotta get a drift car. Everyone needs a drift car. Everybody needs something to fuck around.
You might have talked me into it. We'll think about it. But yeah, that car is dope. Appreciate the rides, bro. That shit was sick. That's my first drift car, but hopefully something different for the content. Make sure y'all tap in with the next video.